description.
Well, hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from a company called Alreef, and this is a chicken instant noodle, and it's from Turkey. It's Turkish with a chicken. How long do we go for? Yep. 3 minutes. Okay. So, let's do this. This one is interesting. It was very hard to scan the packaging because it was very, I want to call it like brittle packaging. Okay, you get to watch it boil. That's what you get. What's that? Look at that. Presentation quality. Isn't that fun? Don't you like that? I would hope you did. But yeah, look at these sachets. They're like really weird. I think I add the liquid in now. But it's like a very thick, heavy plastic. It seems like easily reactive plastic. I don't know. Oh, get in there, get in there. Look at that. Is it doing that? It's like it's shrink wrap. Oh, yeah. Wow. That's odd. That's what I will say about that. This is odd. Oh. I guess we'll run it down to like till there's 45 seconds left, and then we'll be good. That's my solution to the issue. I think it'll do fine. So I'm still, I don't know if I mentioned it on my last ones, but I'm still on the hunt for a, what do you call it? A croissant. Croissant! For my daughter. There's a little French place in Bothell downtown called T55 Patisserie. So I'm like, look online. Yeah, there's pictures of croissant. Croissant. And I go there on Friday. They're closed. They're due to a staff wedding. Go there on Monday. They're closed because they're closed on Mondays. Go there yesterday. They're open. Oh, yeah, we stopped making croissant because, we stopped doing that a while ago. Oh. So it's like, do I just turn around and walk out? Or, I mean, I've tried to go to this stupid place 3 times. I ought to get something, right? So I got 3 things, actually 4. The 4th thing was this little tin of black currant. They call them mints, but I think they're called pastilles. They're pretty good. I mainly got it because, the food we get there, we're going to eat it, we'll void it, and then we're kind of like, there's nothing left but maybe a receipt. So I figure I got to get something. And besides, once the little pastille candy mint deals are gone, I can use the box to store needles for my Victrola. So there you go. But we got this Valrhona chocolate cookie. Each one of these things was like $6.50. It's just like, jeez. The cookie was amazingly good. I mean, oh my god. Got this black truffle goat cheese focaccia. Wow. Very nice. Nice and dense and moist. Very flavorful. And then, what was the last thing? Oh yeah, a cardamom bun. So it was like a little bun that totally remind you of, what do you call it? I don't know, like a cinnamon and a sugar encrusted cinnamon roll, but not no icing, and you just kind of pull it apart, and that was sensational. And actually, I ran it longer than I planned on this, but there's our noodle. The noodle looked a little peculiar, I will say that. Oh yeah, that's right. I added the sachets in. We're done. Okay. So here's our noodle. It looks pretty thick. I think it might have a different gauge. Turkish chicken flavor. I'm not getting a lot of scent from the broth. But it's hot. Cheers. Very impressed with that noodle. Nice chew to it. Here's our broth. That's a good chicken noodle. It's like your standard chicken instant, but the noodle is much thicker and chewier. I would say it's chewier than, what do you call it? Ramen. It's nice. I like that. That pleases me. I think my daughter will like this one. And that's a big selling point for me. If my daughter's all over it, then sweet. Scallion. Oh, you're not playing that horrible song. I keep forgetting to I need to go make a new playlist of music. I really need to do that. Chicken. If you're wondering what this chicken has on it, it's just Maggi seasoning. The liquid junk. Yeah, for the longest time I was like, why do these people use this stuff for? I don't know anything about it. So I tried it at the recommendation of my dear friend, Dr. Reverend Dickinson, who passed in February. That really bums me out too. Yeah, he was going off about it. And I'm like, well, I'll try it. Yeah, there is our... Oh, and I changed the batteries. Look at me. On it. Turkish chicken instant noodles. Brilliant. Pretty good. All right. Well, there will be more to come. I don't know when the next episode will come out. I'm gonna probably try to take pictures, get posts ready for the next one. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see. But, I mean, it'll be tomorrow for you, but for me, it's the 17th. I think the last time I did one was maybe like the 12th? I don't know. I'm like, you're going to see my review stuff go all over the place because I'm way ahead and I'd rather be outside doing junk outside. So that's what I've been doing. Anyways, like, subscribe, you know all that crap. Have a good one. Bye-bye.